Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. And of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. And I am glad you are back. I want to give a shout out to everyone that click on this channel, especially those that leave a comment. Y'all got the girl excited. Thank y'all guys for taking the time to leave a comment. I see you and I appreciate you. If you're watching this channel for the first time, you like the content, make sure you subscribe and you turn on the notification button. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Now, as a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. Come dance along with me and click at on the video at the end and we can dance together to make sure we have the steps right, okay? So guys, y'all gonna love this dance. It is just great music. There's nothing like timeless, great music. The name of this dance is called Cruisin, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instructions. Let's go. So let's face in this direction, okay? Now, this dance is going to be a little different from what we normally do. It's almost like a waltz, this dance here, okay? Just a few steps. It's a 32 count. It's a 4-wall dance that moves clockwise. So we will be going to the wall to the right, okay? The weight is going to start on the left, okay? You're going to step on the right, step, rock, recover, left, right. So I did a lockstep in the form of a ball change, okay? Just a little hop to it. Right, left, left, right. And I want you to do that hop. It's a little hop, ball change, which is a left, right in the form of a lockstep. So weight is here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? And 4, left, right, crossing with a lockstep, left, right, okay? Now we're gonna rock back. We rock forward, step, rock, forward, left, right. Now we're gonna rock back, right, left, right, and we made a half turn, okay? So the same thing we do on the right, we do on the left. We 1, 2, 3 steps. Right, left, right, right, left, left. So you make a half turn with your right shoulder going forward. Okay? Your right shoulder, touch your right shoulder, and it's going to go forward, making a half turn. Okay? So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So we rock forward and then we rock back. We rock back to go forward. Right, left. Okay, the last step is going to be on our left. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7. The weight is on the left. 5, 6, 7, step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Now, the last step is on the left. Now, we're going to drag back on the right. Drag. When I step on my right, I drag on my left, and my heel comes down, my toe goes up. Okay? So we step 1, 2, and 3, 4. So we're going to do a ball change step. Step, ball change, step. So right, left, with my left leg in the front. Okay? Drag it back. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So we drag on and hold on 1. Step on 1, hold 2. The left come back, and 3, 4. The left is going to be in the front, okay? While we're here, let's do a pretty girl. Out and cross, out and cross. 5 and 6, 7 and 8, okay? So that's our second 8 count. It's a 32 count, so we got 2 more 8 counts and then we're done. All right, so let's put that together. From here, let's do a review. Weight is on the left. We step, rock up, recover, lock, step, step back on the left, rock back, recover, half turn. Last step is on the left. We step back on the right, drag, left, right, left. Out and cross, out and cross, out and cross. On the right and then the left. All right, let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Yes, let's do that again. Let's do that again. I'm telling y'all, the music is beautiful. The music is beautiful. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So don't mind me because I'm exaggerating my steps, okay? And make sure I'm counting and make sure you're on the right foot. Now, I'm going to do something like a figure 8, okay? I want you to watch this first. It's real simple. And I'm coming back to this wall. So, my left leg is to the front. So I step out on the right, cross the left, and I pivot back to the front. Okay? Now, the back leg, I'm going to go step, cross. Okay? Now, I step forward on my left. I'm going to do the left side. Step, turn back to the front, and I'm going to take the back leg and cross. Okay? So that's what I'm trying to do. All right? So what did I do? So my left leg is in front of my right leg. I step, the back leg comes out. Right, left, turn back to the front, back leg, left, right. Then I take the front leg, the left leg, step, cross, turn back to the front, and take the back leg and cross. Okay? Now, let's put that together. So, I need to go, so here you go, here you go, here's the logic. I need to go to the right. So, my left leg is in the front, so automatically I'm going to step out on my right. Right, left, then pivot back to the front. So that left shoulder, right, left is coming forward. Making a full turn. Your pivot. Okay, then I go left, right. Now finish the right side. Then I go to the left side with the left leg. Left, right, pivot back to the front. And I step with my right leg. And cross. Okay? So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, let's do it slow. Let me see. Do you need me to turn it? Let's turn it. Let me turn it. Okay, so we can do it together. Just at this wall. Okay? So I just went out and cross, out and cross. That's how my footwork is here. So I'm going to my right foot. Right, left. You just pivot forward. Full turn. Left, right. Let's do the left side. Left, right, and pivot back to the front. Right, left. Okay? Now, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You step on and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And again. All right? Now, let's put this together. If you haven't gotten this part, practice. The logic is when you go to the right, you step on the right. When you go to the left, you step on the left. And you pivot back to the front with an and cross. All right? So, let's go back to our our wall. Okay, so let's do a review. Step, rock, recover, ball change. Ball change is a lock step. Okay, so what do I mean? Just real briefly. Ball change, left, right. It's a little hop. Okay, then I come back, rock back, recover, half turn, left, right. I'm sorry, that's not it. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Yes, last step is on the left. Come back on the right, drag on the left. Drag, ball change, step. Put that extra step on there, okay? Your left leg is gonna be in the front. Pretty girl, out and cross, out and cross. Out and cross, out and cross. Figure 8 to the right. Right, left, we just pivot. So you just made 2 steps and you pivot the rest of the way. And cross. 1, 2, and cross. Okay? Now, let's get there. 2 8 counts. Meet me at the back wall. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so last step was on the left. We're going to step on 1. Step, rock, recover, step. So that was 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you step, across step with a rock recover. So it's like a cross mambo. You step on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all you do. Cross mambo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left. So cross mambo. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. And do a quarter turn to our left. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So that first, that cross mambo, rock recover, is a slow count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. On 8, you hear at your next walk. And you start all over again. That was 4 8 counts, 32 counts. Now time to start over again. The last step was on your left, and you start the dance over. Walking up, 1, rock, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, step. 1, rock, 2, 3, and 4. 5, rock, 6, 6, 7, and 8. Drag 1, 2, and 3, 4. Pretty girl. 5 and 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. You see how I put that little flare? 5 and 6, 7, and 8. Step, rock, recover with a cross step. Cross, rock, recover, cross, rock, recover. And make sure on 8 you at your next wall. Okay? That is the end of the dance. That's called cruising. And you're going to do it at all 4 walls. Okay? So, make sure you click on the demo. Let's dance together. Would you share this video with someone else, please? And also, I look forward to hearing your comments. Leave me a comment. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.